day still, and we are doing our day 2 of walking. Check out the park we're at today. A lot of trees here. Really excited about it. It's like a little mountain, and we're just gonna go all the way to the top. And I've been here a couple times. This is where I took the pictures that I did my, what did I say it was? Fall Adventures, I think it was, or Sunset Adventures. I took all those pictures here, so I'm excited about it. My mom's never been here, so we're gonna walk all the way up to the top of the mountain. Hope you guys are having an awesome day. I have a sore throat. Don't be alarmed. I'm dealing with it. But I haven't been feeling too good, so I'm gonna eat some soup when we get back because I'm hungry and I feel like I need something hot for my throat. Alright guys, I'll see you in a bit. Bye! Time. Guys, so we enjoyed lunch. I have a haul. So I sound so funny. Well, the weather is hot, and then I ate hot soup, so I'm like sweating bullets. But we're gonna go get our car checked now, and then I'm gonna come home and wash dishes. Yay! And then I'm gonna pick up the little one from his babysitter, and then hopefully I will be putting up a video. So woo woo for working hard today. So how's your guys' day going? Comment down below, and I will see you guys in a bit. Bye. So the little one has woken up, and I'm gonna go pick him up from his babysitters. Our walk went really well. I'm tired out a little bit. And yeah, and then we went to take our car to get fixed. Hopefully it'll get fixed soon. We've been having a lot of car trouble, so that's not that great. But yeah, I'm gonna go pick up the little one, and we'll see you in a few minutes. Bye. Huh? Is your belly good? Yes? Yeah? Yeah, yeah. You wearing your Minion shirt?